and Abhijit will bear me out, so will Vivek. You see, NIA on 7th April, a report revealed that Vaze was acting on Parambir's instructions. He was reporting to Parambir. What was the NIA doing for 6 months and 17 days? CBI did not seek custody. They had recorded Parambir's statement in a corruption case. Everyone saw. They did not seek custody. They did not declare him a flight risk.
Yes.
NIA, why didn't they question Parambir when Pradeep Sharma was spotted carrying out a meeting with Vaze and Parambir in the commissioner's office one day before Mansukh Hiren went missing? These are very, you see, my point is, Mr. Shah, and I think Abhijit will bear me out and Vivek can come in, they have not spoken at all. You had enough reason to detain him, to arrest him.
Yeah.
You don't need Republic to tell you. But when you know and you don't do, and you point at the state, of course you should point at the state. But what did you do? The moral compass will point at you as well. Abhijit.
Arnab, there are two issues out here. The first is, why did Maharashtra police not keep this man constantly tracked? But I want to point out that airports, immigration and security come under the central government. Now, assuming that this man has fled, and by the way, this isn't the first I'm hearing that this man has fled. Almost 2 weeks back, I'd heard that he was in New Zealand with his daughter-in-law or something like that. So, you know, this Russia thing is quite new for me. But assume he has fled. There is a serious case to be asked out here. Why was he not on a lookout notice? And if he was on a lookout notice, how was he allowed to pass through? If you remember, in 2019, Naresh Goyal was also on a lookout list. He managed to cross customs and immigration. Apparently, the customs and immigration agent had been bribed or something like that by somebody out there to allow him to pass. And then a particularly alert officer on duty had tracked the fact that this man had gone through customs and then went and prevented him from taking off for Dubai. So there is definitely a case to be made here where the central government needs to introspect and see that after 3 people have left this country, that has caused significant embarrassment to the central government. How is it that these people continue to keep leaving this country? Why is the bribery not checked? Why do we not have video surveillance and biometric surveillance for every person leaving this country at the visa stands and things like that? And these are not looked into. Now, it is very easy to assume, Arnab, that this is incompetence. Unfortunately, as you very well know in this country, incompetence is a mask for corruption. Right.
Abhijit.
Incompetence cannot be prosecuted.
Abhijit.
Corruption can be prosecuted.
Abhijit.
So corruption is incompetence.
Abhijit, I don't buy the incompetence argument. I like Vivek come in and Vivek can tell us about how citizens are feeling today.
That's why I was telling you. Is this corruption masquerading around as incompetence?
Well,
Because that is what happens.
Abhijit, can I speak now?
Yeah.
Can I speak
Arnabji,
now?
may I be allowed to speak a few words?